Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well by grace of Allah. Welcome to my class again. Today's class for 9 to 12. Subject English language, and today's topic changing sentence. Changing sentence is applicable for all classes from 9 to 12. That means Alim first year, second year also, 9, 10 Alim. Today we will do last class. We also did one class for changing sentence and it was affirmative to negative. That was one part. It's a long topic, that's why we need many classes. Today I will do simple to complex. It's little bit hard from before one. Look. So to do simple to complex, we have to know what is simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. We know there are three kinds of sentence: simple, complex, compound. So you have to know at first what is simple sentence. What is simple sentence? Simple sentence কাকে বলে অথবা simple sentence কি? Simple sentence is a sentence where you will get one subject and one finite verb. That means একটা subject থাকবে, একটা finite verb থাকবে or finite verb, whatever what you do, what you tell. Simple sentence এ একটা subject, একটা finite verb থাকবে, that is called simple sentence. Look, like he is a man. Here is one subject, one verb and object also. This is simple sentence. This is one clause, one simple sentence. One sentence you will get in simple sentence. Now come, what is complex sentence? In complex sentence you will get two part, two clause. Clause means part of a sentence, two clause. Look, if I make it complex, I will write down he is a man. Okay, he is a honest man. I write here honest man. He is a man who is honest. Look, here is two part or two clause. He is a man. This is one clause. Who is honest. This is another clause. So in complex sentence you will get two clauses. One is principal clause. It is called principal clause because there is one subject, one verb, object, and another is this is principal clause. Clause means part of a sentence. And who is honest, this is subordinate clause. Subordinate means it works under the principal clause. That means without principal clause it cannot work. That means a subordinate মানে অধীনস্থ, এটা principal clause এর অধীনে কাজ করে। Without principal clause মানে principal clause ছাড়া এটা চলতে পারে না। So this is subordinate, অধীনস্থ. So in complex sentence you will get two clauses or more clauses. There is one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause. That is complex sentence. And one thing you will get in complex sentence, that is relative pronoun, like who, which, what, that, to, so that, so that. In this way, though, although, like this you will get many relative pronoun in complex sentence. So when you will see any relative pronoun where you will get relative pronoun start another part of the sentence, that is subordinate clause. So you will see such type of relative pronoun in the sentence. It may be in the middle of the sentence or at first of the sentence. Then you will understand it is complex sentence. So today we will do simple to complex. But another one sentence that is related, compound. Compound sentence. In compound sentence you will get two clause but two are principal clause, not subordinate. Like if I make it complex, then I will write down, he is a man and he is honest. And he is honest. Look, here is two parts. He is a man, he is honest. And is coordinating conjunction. You will get and, but, or, not in the middle of the two sentences. They are independent, they are principal. Both are independent clause, but it is added with coordinating conjunction. Here may be and, but, or, not, etc. So there are three kinds of sentence primarily. But today we will do how to make simple sentence to complex. Now simply you will, first one, you will remember when you will see any sentence start with verb plus ing, like having, being, or any verb plus ing. This is called present participle. They are called also present participle. Or because of. If you see any sentence start with this word, you will make them complex by adding since or as or when. When that sentence will express any time, you will add when. With when you will make them complex. If that sentence express any reason, then you will add since or as. This will express reason, and this will express time. So if the sentence express time, you will add when, and if this express since or as, it will reason, then you will add since or as. Now look example. This is rule. That means if you start any simple sentence with verb plus ing, verb plus ing means present participle, any kind of, or having, being, or any word because of, then you will make them complex with this word since, as, or when. Maybe they will be at first of the sentence, or they will be in the middle of the sentence. It depends on your simple sentence. Now we will write down example. Look, being, this is example. Being rich, not this, being honest, he is happy. Look, one thing you have to notice at first, we will make two parts of the sentence when we will make them complex. This is simple. Now I will make it complex, and complex means two parts of the sentence. One is principal clause and another is subordinate clause. I already showed. Now one thing you have to know, which one is in this sentence you will get one principal clause. Look, he is happy. This is principal clause. And we will make another sentence like it. This verb. Look, this is present tense. We will make another part also like present tense. If it is past tense, we will make also like past tense. But if it is present tense, we will make present tense. So how we will make subordinate? By adding since, as, or when. So what is expressing this sentence? Being honest. He is happy. Why he is happy? Being honest. This is expressing one reason. So we will add here since or as. So write down since. Now we need one subject. So where we will get subject? Subject is already here given. This subject will come here. Since he. Now I need one verb. Where I will get verb? Look, here is be. Be means am, is, are. So you will add here with he is. As it is present tense, and also here is be. So it is. He, since he is, look, honest. This is subordinate clause, and here is one comma in the middle of the subordinate and principal clause. Since he is honest, this is subordinate clause. This is principal clause. There is no change here. He is happy. So we will just make one part, not another part. Another part is given. So principal clause will given. We will make just subordinate clause, that is complex. So it is complex sentence. Since he is honest, he is happy. Look, here is ing being. I already written here. Look, this is being and another ing word, finishing word. Number 2, number 1. Finishing the word Kamal went away. Look, we make another subordinate clause. So here is verb plus ing. Finishing the word Kamal went away. What is that sentence expressing? When he finished the work, he went away. That means time. So we will add here when. But if here is name mentioned, we will write down here name first, then pronoun. Look, when Kamal finished. Why? Because when is past tense, here is finished verb. With this verb, we will add ed. When Kamal finished the work, now we will write down pronoun of Kamal. He went away, and there is no change here. In this way, you will write down, make simple sentence like verb plus ing. And there are many rules. This time is not enough actually. Another thing I will show you. Look, if you see any to in the middle of the sentence, then you will write down so that instead of to. This is rule number 2. Look, example. We eat to live. Look, here is 1 to in the middle of the sentence. We will write down to instead of to so that, to make it complex. It is simple sentence. So how we will make it complex? We eat. Now here we will write down so that. We eat so that. Now what we will do? Another subject we need. Where we will get subject? This subject. We is subject here because we eat. 2 words we do. We eat so that we, and you have to add one may or can. If it is past tense, might or could. If it is present tense, then may or can. So we eat so that we may live. So this is the rule. If you see any to in the middle of the sentence, you have to add so that plus may or can. That means before that you will bring subject. So that plus subject plus may or can. Then another sentence. Look, rule number 3. To or to. If you see in the sentence, you will write down instead of to, so, and instead of to, that. This is another one. Plus subject plus cannot or could not. Look, example. He is too weak to walk. How will make it complex? He is so weak. Now here is that. Then subject that he. Now cannot or could not. Why cannot? If it is present tense, then cannot. If it is past tense, then could not. He cannot, then this word walk. In this way you have many rules, students. We need more class for changing sentence. So after this today, see you again. Thank you very much.